Security's been kind of harassing me today. I've been over at the abandoned hotel right now. Security keeps on telling me stuff like, oh, that hotel in my contract does for security on the property. I don't know how much longer I have to wait for a shipping company. They approved everything, but they said it might take up to 5 days. If it takes up to 5 days, I don't know what I'm going to do. If I can't be on this property for them to pick me up, I'm sure I'm going to get charged more. That's going to suck so bad, but I don't know. Live it day by day right now. I don't know what else to do, just to sit here and pray. Funny, I looked all day for the other van dwellers that I know and didn't see them. Think everyone's getting the same treatment up here today. Closest campground that I looked at was like 7 miles. I'm not sure if I can make it up there, and it was like $50 a day. But there's really no city stuff here unless I go all the way to Flagstaff, which that's going to be like another 10 miles. And who knows if the van will last. Plus, if it doesn't last, I'm going to have to pay more money for that shipper to go wherever I need to go. I already spent $2,700 today to ship this vehicle. I'm telling you, I am perfectly comfortable in this van. Like, my bed is so comfy and big, and I got all this window coverings to keep the privacy. I'm watching Alone season 8 right now on my laptop, so it's pretty cool. And I got only one window. I'm not sure if you can see it right there, but one window open, giving me some light, and also the fan is giving me some light. I am so comfortable here. I just wish this thing would run right. It's 9 o'clock at night, and I saw 2 trucks with the security lights on it circle around my van again. This is driving me crazy. I would hate if they knocked on my van, and if I didn't wake up, they might tow my van. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I don't have any other place to go in the middle of the night right now, especially with the broken transmission. Hey guys, woke up just about an hour ago. I was freezing last night. The temperature was like 46 degrees. That's where it dropped down to. Tonight's going to be more of the same. I moved my van further down in the parking lot here, where it's more abandoned. I'm next to a vehicle, definitely someone sleeping in their car. But trying to be more out of the way. And it's the weekend, so I don't think security will be around. I'm hoping they're not. I don't need the hassles. I've been tossing and turning, having nightmares about being dragged away and, or towed away and stuff like that. So we'll just see how the day runs. I did go into the store today. I did a morning constitution. And as I went into the store, I did see one of the security guards. Hopefully I don't get bothered today. But I keep on looking around to see if I could see him again. But hopefully everything's okay today. Still waiting for that booker to give me a driver to ship my van. Hope everything turns out okay. I just was filming and I didn't record a single bit of it. I was sitting here in my van just contemplating things. Basically, I've been watching DJ Chrome there. I love his YouTube and his van. And been just worried about the shipment, because I'm sitting here in the parking lot still of this abandoned hotel, hoping that this is okay. I don't even have my fan on. I'm trying to stay as low profile as I can be right now. But if my transmission was working, I know I'd be in different places. I'd be traveling around right now. Heck, even if I was staying here all the night and they kicked me out, I would drive down the street and stay at some other place. Like, I'm not trying to loiter here. I'm just stuck here. I hope they have some patience with me. I'm going to tell them I'm a veteran who lives in his van. Sorry, but we'll see how all that stuff goes. But I know I'm still waiting for the driver to be assigned for my shipment, and hopefully everything goes well with that. And then after they pick me up, or pick my van up, buzz bomb right over here, I have to take a lift probably from this pilot station over to Flagstaff. And after that, hopefully there's a shuttle running that I saw that runs from Flagstaff to Phoenix. And then after that, then I could get on a flight from there. And hopefully I beat the shipment, of course. And then I'll be crashing out in New Orleans.